Ayurveda is one of the world's oldest forms of holistic medicine and is based on the idea that the world is made up of 5 elements: space, also known as ether, water, earth, fire, and air. These elements combine into 3 doshas, or life forces. Our Ruby Elixir represents the dosha Pitta, which is associated with fire and water. Our Emerald Elixir represents the dosha Kapha, which is associated with the elements earth and water. Our Amber Elixir represents the dosha Vata, which is associated with air and ether.